OFM Sport.
Yeah, two guys that really stood out for me. I think the team as a collective played well. But first of all, John Small, that little stint he was on, he was absolutely fantastic. And then Kirkley Thomas is almost like an unsung hero for the Cheetahs at the moment. His line-out work is exceptional. He's almost like another loose ball in the park for you with the way he gets around, puts and tackles. So that must be pleasing to see.
Definitely. It's amazing how a 2'8" guy can move around like he does. And like you said, he gets around the park quite well. We've worked hard on his fitness. We've worked hard on his lineouts, which is stuff that you can see is improving every game. With regards to John, I knew he was a good player when I saw him at school the first time, and then I was very happy that we could get him to come to the Cheetahs. He's an unbelievable player. He doesn't make mistakes. I always, I make the joke that if he was 2 feet taller, he'll be in the box squad, in my opinion, because he's just that type of player. So we're very privileged to have him, and glad that he's coming through the ranks and that he's doing well. I must commend the two hookers. That's the senior players in the team. They took him under their wing, and they've seriously put in a lot of work with him as well. And we just have a great squad cohesion at the moment, and the guys care for each other, which is lovely for me to see.
And just lastly on him, you as a player, you were very particular about your line-out throws, and something that you paid a lot of attention to. You would pinpoint. And this is something that John's definitely got, and probably a very difficult thing to coach at such a young age.
Yeah, obviously, when I looked at him, when we had to find another hooker, that was the one thing that I paid a lot of attention to, because the two hookers that we have are they're quite significant. They're good, and their throwing is significantly good. So I needed somebody to fit that mold. And then obviously when we did our due diligence on him, we knew that we needed somebody that can do that. That was something that the guys that we spoke to about him that would be the first thing they say, he can throw. And that was the one thing that I liked a lot. And then obviously when he came here and he started to get into the groove of things, knowing the lineouts, knowing the timing of the throws, it was just something that he didn't miss. He's very coachable as well. He listens whenever you say something in training. The next moment, he's a lot like the guy next to me. You say something in training, and the next moment he does it. He doesn't need to go and sit, have a look at the video, and then decide what he wants to do. You can mention it to him on the field, and the next action that he does will be the thing that you wanted him to do better or do differently, which is something that's awesome for a coach.